Camille Dolariman. And tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Alina May Villarama. I'm from Borma Street, La Paz, Iloilo. I'm 20 years old.
Okay, tell me, ano ang natunan mo sa subject or under kay Sir William or kay Sir Kintaw?
Damo man kung may nabalaan about sa Java, about sa tanan man.
Okay.
Tunaan man.
Okay. May mga activity nga nimbilin sa atong dati, si Sir, ano mga example nga nabalaan mo dira from?
About sa Excel.
Okay, sige. 3 question man.
Okay, I have 15 questions right here, but I will pick 3 questions for you. The first question is what's perfect about your life?
Perfect. Perfect? Okay. Perfect about my life is my family.
Why?
Pwede lang. Tungod sila, gapas sila sa akon, doon pa ka perfect, doon ka ano, sila.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay. If you won $100 million, what would you buy first?
House and kung anong mga kailangan sa akong family.
The last question is, what superpower would you most like to have and why?
Superpower. I think I want to be Wonder Woman.
Okay, because?
Why?
Why?
Gusto ko makasave sang ibang tao na makabulig man. That's all.
So,
Thank you.